What up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Fat Hemi here. Getting ready to run out and do a few things. Thought I'd give you guys a little cold start. It's been raining here for the past day or so. It's just now coming to an end. So get ready to run out. Give you guys a cold start right quick. I do have a mid muffler delete, so that's what you'll be hearing. So here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Roaring and screaming. It's calmed down a little bit, so I think she's ready to go. So we're gonna head out and do a few things today. Just want to get you guys a cold start for my channel. Like I said, I got a mid muffler delete. Thinking about taking off those factory fake tips, getting one of those police pursuit rear valences, and putting the round tips on. And probably deleting the resonators and maybe getting some Flowmaster Super 10s or 40s or 44s, not sure. Let me know what you guys think, your experience. What's good for the Chargers, the RT, the Super 10s, 40s, 44s, or just keep it like this. I know it sounds good just like this, but I just don't like those fake tips. But just wanted to give you a cold start, and I hope you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you later.